I'm super excited because I just received my box from Olive & June, and I have been waiting for this to come so I can do something with my poor, sad, thin nails. Let's look and see what's in the box. So first we have a little pamphlet, best nails ever. And it looks like it's just kind of an overview of what you get in the box. I'm really intrigued about this poppy I've been seeing, so that'll be interesting to see how that works. When I ordered, I got a couple of extra things. So this is one of their colors, pink goldfish. This is called Cosmic Silver, which looks really fun. And this is called Covet. And then this is a top coat. I got this, it's getting smoky in here. I love dark gray nail polish. And then we have this long lasting top coat. This is the main kit itself. I love this packaging. It's so cute. So the little bears, and they've got really nice packaging here. We've got all kinds of tips and steps to follow and more instructions. Oh my goodness, this cute little bag with goodies in it. So in this zip bag were all the tools it looks like I'm gonna need for creating my gel nails. Here's that poppy. It's so interesting. Can't wait to use this and try it. And then over here we have more, the nail polish remover pot. And then I believe this is probably the UV light. Yes, so this was the UV lamp with USB-C charging cable. And then finally we have the base coat, the top coat. And then this is what really intrigued me and kind of put me over the edge in ordering was this peel off base coat. I'm not quite sure what the difference is between these two, but I will definitely be finding out. So that's what's in the box. The packaging is adorable. Everything was wrapped really well with bubble wrap and made it here in perfect shape. I ordered an extra couple of things here. I'm going to check this out, use it, and report back in another video to see how well it does for me on my nails. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.